Hello बच्चों, let's read the given question. Assertion: algal bloom is beneficial for aquatic organism. Reason: Chernobyl disaster is associated with accidental leakage of CFC. So हमें यहाँ assertion और reason दिया गया है. We have to find the correct option. या options है A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. E. Both assertion and reason are false. So हमारा की कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ है वाटर एंड एयर पोल्यूशन. सो हमारा स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ है. पहला स्टेटमेंट यानी असर्शन है algal blooms is beneficial for aquatic organisms. Algal bloom is nothing but increase in the algal population. जब algal population increase होता है वाटर बॉडी में, उसको क्या कहते हैं? algal bloom कहते हैं. क्योंकि ये there is a presence of more nitrogen and phosphorus in the water body. There is a presence of excess nitrogen and phosphorus in the water body. तब क्या होता है? algal population ज़्यादा हो जाता है because of nitrogen and phosphorus. और algal क्या करता है? ये कंज्यूम करता है dissolved ऑक्सीजन को. उससे क्या होता है? The other organisms which are present in the aquatic life deprive हो जाता है. They don't have any dissolved oxygen, इसलिए वो deprive हो जाता है. So it is very harmful for the aquatic life. So here the assertion algal bloom is not beneficial for aquatic organism. This statement is wrong. And the second statement is यानी reason है Chernobyl disaster is associated with accidental leakage of CFC. Chernobyl disaster हुआ था 1986 में, जहां यूक्रेन में रिएक्टर ब्लास्ट हुआ था इन न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट. उसमें क्या हुआ था? जेनॉन गैस एंड आयोडीन एंड केशियम मोर अमाउंट में रिलीज हुए थे, which caused harm for the lot of people. So here it is given that Chernobyl disaster is associated with accidental leakage of CFC यानी क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. सो इस डिजास्टर में क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन नहीं रिलीज हुए थे, ये डिफरेंट रिएक्टिंग गैसेस रिलीज हुआ था. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो statement is also wrong. So the right option is both A and R are false. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.